To turn off notification in Slack. Tired of constant Slack pinning and drives you nuts? Here's how to mute the madness without missing the magic. Firstly, open your Slack app. There you'll see your profile icon at the top right corner. There you can see update your status, pause notifications. If you want to pause notifications for a certain time, you want a break from your work. Suppose you have been working, suppose it's a day off, but the work will be still continued and messages will still arrive. So tap it on until tomorrow and tap on save. You can even custom pause the notification as well. If you don't want any notification until and unless you turn it on, then simply go on notification. Here you can see Notify Me on mobile, system options, and many more. Here you can see on mobile notification, all new messages, direct messages, nothing. You can simply tap on nothing and save. Like this, you won't get any notifications